A lot of people have been joking recently that it feels like we're living through the end of the world, which got me thinking, if it really was the end of the world, which beauty products would I want with me? If you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things budget beauty. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slash squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. Today I'm sharing the beauty products I couldn't live without, my ride or dies that I'd want with me in the apocalypse. Now this is gonna be different than my minimal makeup collection video, although there will be a lot of crossover in terms of the products I talk about, but this is more so about the products that I would want backups of and my signature look that I'd be okay wearing for the rest of my life. First off, I want to mention a couple skincare products that I would not want to live without. In fact, one of them, I actually probably have enough backups to survive an apocalypse because it's that good. I'm talking about my Pixi Glow Tonic Toner. This has been a staple in my routine for like 6 or 7 years now. It's my favorite toner. It really helps with the complexion, brightening, evening out. It's a really great everyday exfoliator. I use it morning and night. Would not be able to live without my Pixi Glow Tonic. Now for the purposes of moisture, sun protection, and makeup priming, I would need an SPF moisturizer. I don't really have like an overarching all-time favorite SPF moisturizer, but the one that I'm using now that I really like is the Aveeno Naturals Positively Radiant one, which has SPF 30. It's lightweight but moisturizing enough for the desert climate that I live in, and it adds a beautiful glow to the skin that does shine through makeup. If I could only have one foundation in the apocalypse, it would definitely be the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. This is my favorite everyday foundation because not only does it have sun protection, it has SPF 20, but you get a really great amount of coverage while the foundation stays feeling lightweight and flexible even if you build it up. The finish on this is slightly radiant. It looks very much like your natural skin, but better. This is another one that I actually do keep backups of, especially since they are kind of disappearing from shelves, but they are still available on the brand's website and at Walmart. Now, I definitely don't feel like myself unless I have my brows on, so I would for sure need my go-to brow pencil, which is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I absolutely love how my brows come out every time I use this, plus it lasts all day. The fine tip gives you super precision when you're shaping out your brows, and you can really go either super bold or very natural with this one pencil. It's one of the very few high-end products that I continually repurchase and justify. Now, this might be a surprise to some, but in terms of creating a signature look that I would wear for the rest of my life in the apocalypse, I wouldn't use eyeshadow. I would just skip straight to a dramatic winged eyeliner with, you guessed it, the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. For years, I have not found a liquid liner that is better than this and gives me the really sharp winged eyeliner that has definitely become my signature over the years. And being able to achieve my statement wing makes me feel totally fine without eyeshadow. Now, as far as a ride or die end of the world mascara, I would need something that provides separation, length, and volume, and I get all of that with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. It keeps my lashes separated and clump free even if I'm really coating it on over and over again, and it gives me the dramatic lash look that I love and that I would need since I don't have eyeshadow on. This next product is actually relatively new in my collection, but it did not take long for it to become a ride or die, and it would be perfect in an end of the world situation. It's the Physicians Formula Weylie Butter Collection palette. This palette has 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlights, so you get a lot of variety, and the formula is just gorgeous. It looks so smooth on your skin. I have a whole video about this if you want to check it out, but on a daily basis I've been using this almost exclusively for my face. The shades are just really flattering for my skin tone personally, and another great thing is I could also use this palette on my eyes if I wanted to. And finally, if I could only wear one lipstick for the rest of my life in an end of the world situation, it would definitely be red. I don't know if there's anything more powerful than a good red lipstick. It definitely makes me feel more confident, and that's exactly what I'm gonna need in the end of the world. This one is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Own Your Empire, which is probably my favorite red in my collection right now. I love matte red specifically. I think it is just such a chic, gorgeous look, and this is a very comfortable matte to wear. It really doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips, and it does stay on for a relatively long amount of time. Definitely not as long as the Superstay liquid lipsticks, but they're easy to layer if they fade a little bit. And this would be my signature look if I had to only wear one for the rest of my life in the end of the world. And I did it with a relatively small collection of beauty products that I couldn't live without. I would love for you all to pick out the beauty products you couldn't live without in an apocalypse and share them in the comments below. Today's shout out goes to Rebecca. Thanks for being a member of the Slashed Squad. And join me over in this video next where I do a full face of makeup that I picked out blindfolded. I'll see you over there. Bye.